Come test drive this 2012 Toyota Tacoma. With just over 20,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle rocks its class with 6-cylinder efficiency and distinctive styling. It features an automatic transmission, 4-wheel drive, and a 4-liter 6-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of a Toyota are offered, including a rear step bumper, an automatic dimming rear view mirror, a trailer hitch, and cruise control. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 7 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, brake assist, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.